So one of my TikTok followers wanted to send me a bottle of wine. Of course, I never expect, but it's very cool. So thank you, and we're going on a journey today. Oh boy. What is this? All right, here's your close-up of it. This is a bottle of wine from Germany from 1964. The person who sent this to me said they got it from an estate sale. So it's a really cool opportunity to maybe try a wine that is amazing. Or it just might be a really great bottle of vinegar. But you know I'm gonna try it anyway. Let's do it. And like, it's a pull tab? Dude, what the fuck? I feel like I've released some spirit by opening this. Okay, here we go. Okay, it looks like wine. So even though it's a white grape, it spent a long time oxidizing, right? Think about when you cut into an apple and leave it on the table for a while, it starts to turn brown. Wine will do the same thing, even in a bottle. Clay is porous, it does breathe. All right, on the nose, it smells like really like sexy men's cologne. Something pine foresty, honey or honeycomb, candied orange peel. This wine's got some serious layers to it. It's really cool. All right, let's see if I die. The flavors are there, they just feel really faint now. They don't feel as strong as how it smells. Usually when that happens, the wine is past its prime. It's not bad. We should have drank it 20 years ago. Don't expect this from any of you, but if you have something that you're interested in and want me to drink it on TikTok, just let me know in the comments and I'll send you something too.